got this 5th box set of the Monogram keychains. They're really cute, so I just had to get a whole box because I want these special ones. So like with last time, I'm going to open them, but this time I'm going to do a little different focus on the back row here and see if I can pick the chase ones out right away. So, this is kind of the back middle one. I'm calling this because it already looks open, so why not? Okay. Site. I expect to get 2 full regular sets and then 2 of the chase sets in there. So if I pull the other backmost one, can't quite tell what it is. Another general. Let's come out. Nephrite. Okay, the other back corner, so I'm taking from this back corner. My experience in the past told me that the chase figures should be at the back. Try to help you guys out if you get a fresh box in a store. Pick the hard to get ones. You might want to open. Ooh, there it goes. Nope. Quincyte. And then the last back one. So it's very hard to feel out. I used to so before. Oh, here's one of the chase. So one of the chase was in the very back corner. It is Queen Barrel here. Very strange looking Queen Barrel. I don't like the lips. Very strange. I pulled out my Series 1 Queen Barrel, and you can see the difference. This is a very nice looking Queen Barrel. This is kind of a crazy barrel, more like when Metallica had come into her in like the last episode. I still can't take the purple lips. So let's see if the other chase was sitting right up against Queen Barrel. Should be Mamo-chan. Nope. We've got the last general, Jedi. Jedi. I love villain stuff, so I had to get that. So let's go back to the other side in front of the generals. I'm very upset if there's no Mamo-chan in here. Oh. Mako-chan! My Jupiter. Go back onto the side where the chase was. Definitely does not seem like there was a pattern. Oh. Another Jupiter, one of the duplicates already. And again back in that corner. Maybe we just got that back right corner. Chase, let's see. Nope. Another Jupiter. There better be a full set in this box. They told me it was a fresh box. And the chase ones are the ones I was so worried about. Okay. Something I flight. So clearly this is very random. I don't know. Oh. There's always sight. Opening pretty easily, which is nice. Oop. There's my Mamo-chan. Okay, that makes me happy. I got both the chase figures, so I know I won't have to scour the internet and pay the horrible prices. So, he was a couple rows forward on the opposite side of the barrel. Pretty random. You know, the other box I had, they were both in the back, if I remember. Okay, finally something not a duplicate. Rei-chan. Usagi-chan! This is a cute thing. And they had a magnet of her a few years back, but I haven't been collecting the magnets. But when I saw these come out as keychains, I had to get them. Too cute to miss out. Okay, so we're pulling forward a bit. But yeah, definitely it looks like the chase ones are in the backs of the boxes by my experience here. Another Ray-chan. I don't even need my scissors that I brought. I wonder who's going to be the other one we get through. Oh, good. Ami-chan. Yay! As you can tell, that got me too. I've got a wig on for Ami-chan. My favorites of the originals are going to be Mako-chan, Ami-chan, and Usagi-chan. Oh, the third Ray. So I guess those are the ones I'm getting triplicates of. Ray and Mako-chan. Let's see as we go. I still don't have a full set opened yet. Yeah. Oh. Another Kunsei. We still need Minako. There she is. Okay. So I'm happy. I got a full set. And we still have a few left. So should be another full set in here. Okay. There we go. Ami-chan. So I'm going to pull out a set to keep for myself here. And then I'll have to sell the rest over the course of the year. Whenever I feel up to selling. It's been a little stressful at home to be selling, you know. And it's another Usagi-chan. Yay! And we've got 4 more to go. Should be another Minako in there. And more duplicates. The other Jedi. So I got 2 full sets of the Generals, and we're still working our way through the rest of them. Here's the other Minako. You might have at least 2 of each. Of regulars, that is. Minako! Who are the triplicates going to be now? Oh, Ami-chan. And last one. Should be another triplicate, but who will it be? Oh, Minako. So I would have expected there to be triplicates of Usagi, but hey, I don't package these, I'm just happy I got a set. So, if I turn it around, we have our full set here. We got 3 of all the inners. There was only 2 of Usagi in there. And then 1 each of the chases, which was expected. I had to buy the box to guarantee I'd get them. Didn't want to pay the crazy prices of the internet. And then we got 2 each of the Generals. So, a new set for my toy room. But I definitely like Series 1 Queen Barrel much better. Those lips just kill me.